So I think today marks day 2568 of stay-at-home orders. And I don't know about y'all, but I am missing some good Chinese food. And thank God Knorr is here with their quick and easy Asian sides. So I'm going to make some delicious fried rice. Super quick, super easy. And with it, I'm going to make one of my favorite restaurant dishes, which is crispy pepper shrimp. So stay tuned, it's going to be lit. So this lockdown period has presented lots of challenges. I mean, we can't even start with the list of challenges, but you can't deny it has brought a lot of good times and good, moments with family that we probably wouldn't be able to enjoy otherwise. One of my favorite things is definitely experimenting with recipes that I would usually order from restaurants and kind of trying to put my spin on it at home for the entire family to enjoy. Without a doubt, crispy fried shrimp, and you could do this with calamari as well, or squid, is one of my favorite things to order when I go out to eat. So I had to take this opportunity to try to throw this together. And then we have this delicious Knorr Asian size rice to go with it. Super quick and easy, no preservatives, no added MSG, which is a big thing for me. And we're just gonna have fun and chat and put this together as we usually do. Okay, so to start, I have some shrimp here, and this is peeled and deveined already, and I've also taken the tails off. If you want to leave the tails on, by all means go ahead, but I'm gonna leave that off. And then we have some ingredients here to use for our dredging mixture. So there's going to be a two-step dredging procedure. We have our dry, which is going to be some flour here. Just going to dump this right into the bowl. A little bit of cornstarch. Now, if you are a fan of crispy deliciousness, crispy fried stuff, you really should try to keep cornstarch in your pantry at all times. It has that sort of drying effect, and it kind of gets rid of that moisture that could end up making your fried goods kind of shrivel on you after they're fried. So you want to keep things nice and crispy, have some cornstarch at hand. So this shrimp, like its namesake, is crispy. So we're gonna roll with that. I have here some salt, a little bit of garlic powder, some ginger powder. They're doing a little Chinese kind of vibes, so you gotta have the garlic and ginger, a little bit of black pepper. And very simply, we're just gonna toss this together. So that's gonna be our coating for our shrimp. And then right here, I have some whole milk and 2 eggs. I'm just quite simply gonna give this a nice little beat. And there we go. Okay. Y'all, I have a walk here today. We're doing Chinese food. It's walk time. It's time to walk and roll. All right, so to achieve maximum crispiness with anything you're frying, whether it's chicken, whether it's fish, this is the technique that I like to use. Make sure you have your cornstarch and whatever flour dredge you're gonna use. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop some shrimp right into our flour. And I'm gonna use this hand as my wet hand and this hand as my dry hand, so that it doesn't kind of cake up on my hands as the flour hits the wet stuff. So I'm going to dredge my shrimp in the flour first. Then I'm going to throw it into the egg like this, using my wet hand, coating the shrimp with the egg. And then we're gonna coat it right back with the flour. And my oil is heating up, so we're very, very close to being able to drop these in and start frying. All my shrimp is coated. Right now it's just kind of sitting in the cornstarch, flour, and seasoning mixture. I'm gonna actually put my Knorr Asian sides into the pot. So right here I have a 1.75 cups of boiling water. And I'm just going to throw the entire packet right in. Right? So simple. And the biggest thing for me is this doesn't have any preservatives in it. And I mean, sometimes I would make my rice from scratch and add all my seasonings in, but I kind of just want to get this meal together quickly. This is always a fantastic help. So I'm just going to let this simmer for about 7 minutes. And then by the time our shrimp is done, our rice will be done too. So back to our wok over here. The oil is nice and hot. You want to make sure that you're feeling the heat right above the oil, and you don't want it to start smoking because then your shrimp won't cook properly. So I have my little spider here. I'm just going to drop the shrimp in one at a time. Just like that. Think of it as like popcorn shrimp, you know. So ready, it's looking so crispy and delicious. Beautiful golden fried shrimp is now emerged from my gorgeous wok. So this is like part 1 of the pepper shrimp, because I'm sure you're thinking, Emily, where's the pepper? Don't worry, it's coming. You don't worry at all. Okay, let's keep frying this shrimp, and our rice is cooking away. And then I'll be able to show you how we finish this to make it, to give it a little extra, that little nice, you know, Trini-Chinese food vibes. So all my shrimp is out. It looks delicious, looking like straight up Uncle Sam's in here. Love you, Uncle Sam's, miss you. I'm gonna hit you up after we can meet again. And I'm going to strain my oil, or just get rid of it because it has a lot of flour and it's a mix. We're gonna put a little bit more oil in here, and then I'm gonna show you all how we turn this crispy shrimp into crispy pepper shrimp. So our Knorr Asian sides rice is done. It looks delicious. One step closer to eating. And I have in my wok, it's getting nice and hot. Let me pull this off a little bit actually, for the time being. I have about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in there. What I'm gonna do now is just add a little bit of sesame oil. Throw it right in. And you're gonna smell the nuttiness of the sesame oil start rolling. Okay. So we're gonna move like we're in your favorite Chinese restaurant, guys, okay? Move brave and just have fun, okay? So I'm gonna add some onions right to the pot. Get those going. And let those kind of just gently fry. To that, I'm gonna add some garlic, and I have a little bit of ginger as well, and some Thai chilies. If you don't have Thai chilies, you can use Scotch bonnet. That's perfectly fine. Or pimentos, depending on how spicy, what your spice tolerance is. Gonna add a little bit of salt. Turn on heat a little bit. Some black pepper. I'm just gonna continue to let this fry. It smells so good. And our shrimp, our gorgeous, gorgeous shrimp. I'm just gonna throw these right in here. Quite simply, we're just gonna let it toss in the peppers and let some of that oil from the pepper seeds kind of permeate onto the shrimp. And all we need is a cardboard box now, because we have delicious crispy pepper shrimp. Yo, this looks like it. I'm not even gonna front. It looks really good. Okay, time to eat, time to eat, time to eat. I feel like I haven't eaten in years, huh? But I haven't seen, you know, restaurant grade at home in a while. There we go. So I have my Knorr Asian sides. I smell the sesame oil in it as well. Just gonna throw a couple of these shrimp right on top, the peppers. Yo, this is a whole vibe, okay? Give the banana bread a little rest now. Try something new. Knorr Asian sides. So satisfying. Let's try our shrimp now. Ah, it's nice and spicy. My sinuses are getting clear. That's a good thing. So just a little side note, I have to tell my mom when she watches these videos, Mom, I really don't chew like that. If you're next to me, don't hand me like that. I have a mic right here that picks up all the crunchiness. So my bad. Y'all, it's so good. I'm not even gonna front. This is gonna be a new recipe. I feel confident now that I can do this on my own. So, fun fact, my producer here, he's allergic to shrimp. Which, you know, in theory is sad, but since we're social distancing, there's only 2 people here right now, and all the shrimp is mine. God, I need to see people. Yo, we had to put out a whole other plate of food because I done finished eating already, and I'm probably gonna go for seconds. You know what? Sometimes you just have to do this, you know? Just a little pat on your back, and do it right now with me. Pat yourself on your back. Don't forget to wash your hands after. And make this. Make this delicious crispy pepper shrimp. Special thanks to our friends at Knorr for powering this video. And you can find Knorr products in groceries nationwide. So stay safe, y'all. Wash your hands. Love your loved ones. Make them good food. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.